Hii ni Surveylama na ni website nzuri kabisa ya kuweza kupata $10 kwa kila survey unayoifanya. Take paid online surveys and earn up to this one per month. I register in a few clicks. Registration is completely free. Kwa registration ni free kabisa katika website hii. Then katika kujiunga basi utapaswa uweze kuingiza first name yako hapa. Hapo utaingiza first name, hapa last name, then create your email. After that click register for free. Okay, then want to join us, take a survey, earn point and receive reward. For each completely survey you will receive point that you can convert into cash. Want to earn even more money? Answer 3 surveys a day to get a bonus without forgetting surprise every month, challenges, contests and much more. How we work: first, activate your account. You will receive an email. Okay, so that you need to activate your account. I'm going to show you how to do this. First name, let's say this fair. Last name boy tz. My email is fairboy, or let me use this. Then I click register for free. As you see now, nakwenda kutengeneza password. That's 2023. This is an example. Confirm my password. Best 2023. Then click continue. Your date of birth. This one. This one. This one is 1997. Continue. Please enter your nickname. Nickname is Fairboy TZ1. My gender is male. Then click continue. Okay. Yes, I have read and understand. You need to put this in all, then click continue. After this registration is done, you can save your password. And it's prescript. We sent an email, so we need to activate this email. As you see, activate your email. Then confirm an email address. Congratulations, here is your reward for confirming your email. As you see, 20. Retrieve. It's not. Continue. Welcome to Surveylama. Question about your profile. Question about your profile. You can continue. If you started that you have been diagnosed with a cancer, can you define the type of cancer? Then utakapoingia kwenye website yetu sasa ya Surveylama, what is your occupation? You need to answer accommodation service managers, accommodation travelers, but you can select this. Prefer not to answer. Prefer not to answer. Then here you can see your earnings. My earnings is this one, 20 LP. 20 LP, which means conversion into dollar, this is $0.20. Remaining LP to make the exchange. Okay, withdraw methods: PayPal. My history, my earning, my payment, this one. Then if you come here, you can see function, offers, membership terms and condition, legal notice, reward system, preference policy, site map. You can also log out here. This not. You come here, this is your profile. You can do your setting, general information, password, cookies management, delete my account, log out, general information. You can see your general information here. Code postal, your date of birth, you can see all here. Then AID, This is help center. How can we help you? If you need any help, you can come there. Then here is your earnings. You can see, and this is my polls. My polls, these are questions about the Surveylama. Okay, if you come here, you can see my profile offers new functioning AID. So you can see these offers. Question about your profile. Survey platform need personal information to offer you surveys tailored to your profile. So you need to complete this question in order to get a survey. Kwa unapaswa complete haya maswali ili uweze kupata survey inayoendana na profile yako. Okay, hii ni website ya survey, kwa hiyo usahau kusubscribe na kulike, comment pia kwenye channel yangu. Karibu na asante. Okay.